It's a big-time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here.
You're right, Michael, and judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight.
His skills, his talent, that's what helped him to earn this opportunity, and that's what will win him the title tonight.
Remember, guys, the title is on the line here in this one.
And I don't remember the last time the champ was in this much jeopardy, Cole. Tonight might just be the night the title changes hands.
Some have called the challenger an underdog tonight, but he is prepared to make all the doubters eat their words.
It's a big-time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here.
You're right, Michael, and judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight.
The following contest is a tornado tag team match and is for the Raw Tag Team Championship. Introducing the challengers at a combined weight of 570 pounds. And their opponents.
As a former tag champ myself, believe me when I say these titles are in the sights of some top duos.
I have to say, the tag titles up for grabs right now have been the talk of the locker room. You wouldn't believe the unlikely duos that are rumored to be considering teaming up for them.
Really, Byron? Like who?
Well, I can't tell you, Michael. I have highly confidential sources.
No, you don't, Saxton.
a weakening arm breaker. But did you guys just see the distance traveled on that toss? He saw it coming, taking advantage. He'll head to the ring. Oh! Oh, my God.
Launched with a belly-to-belly.
Dexter Lumis is, I think, trying to get the crowd involved. I mean, the guy never talks. Someone help me here.
You're on your own, Michael.
Oh, headbutt.
Ooh, bad aiming there as the ref takes a blow.
Here's your favorite, Corey.
Brilliant. Oh, jarring uppercut.
And Lumis able to reverse that.
Bang!
Drops the hammer.
Pin attempt for the championship. Kicks out after one.
All the punishment he's taken, and yet he's still...
Uh-oh.
Phoenix Splash! Gosh, how'd he do that?
The challenger not looking good right now.
Ooh, sharp kick.
Taking this to the floor.
That cold blankness of Dexter Lumis gives me chills. The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
Don't do this. Don't do it! How's that for a counter?
Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
And he slides him back to the mat. Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. He's got him scouted. My goodness, did you hear that chop?
Uncorks a thunderous chop.
Counters. This could be an opportunity.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
What a drop kick. What a cross body.
And he heads out of the ring. No count out.
Watch out.
Slingshot cross body? That was ridiculous.
Absolutely throwing all caution to the wind.
Spitting in the face of danger.
This is what you call high risk, high reward.
Launching. Oh, God! Taken to the air and completely wiping out.
Challenger's a little worse for wear now. Ah, kick! Nasty kick. He's got the answer for that one. Saw that one coming.
Answer after answer for each other's offense here. Right across the face.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Oh! On the apron! Oh, ouch!
Up high.
Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark.
Oh, wicked kick to the lower back. Good night.
Oh, stop right to the hand.
Oh, good night.
Sorry.
Double stomp.
Ooh, headbutt from the rear.
And we might be about to go from commentators to participants in this one, fellas. Ooh! Targeting the arm now. Ah, look at this, just cranking it out. Stop gloating and put your attention back to the match. Uh-oh, punch straight to the face, stays off the attack.
The leg trap.
Well, this is a warning to grab our stuff and go.
Keep it in the ring, please. Saxton's a very fragile boy.
Oh, colliding with the barricade. Lumis gets intercepted. Perhaps thinking about what to do next here.
Uh-oh, this is going to be ugly, guys. Look out!
Oh!
The challenger is in some big trouble.
He needs to get himself some room to regroup fast. And attacking above the shoulders has become the strategy here. Don't come over here.
Cole, quick, use Saxton as a human shield.
Continues the attack on the core.
It could prove to be an effective strategy.
Carefully, measured knee drop.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Stopping their opponent. And the forearm smash.
Setting foot in the ring now.
And he keeps his focus on an attack to that area.
Boom, nice. Loomis, a scary look in his eyes, lining him up. Oh, no. Now possibly setting up for a submission maneuver. What a unique.
Save just in a nick of time.
And just like that, he sent crashing to the floor.
Sister Abigail for the win.
There's two.
Ow. Ow.
Blast off.
Oh, no, he can be caught here. Bad spot for him.
He's got it locked in. It's locked in.
Now would be a wise time to submit. There it is.
Able to interrupt the attack.
They got it. And they're the new tag team champions.
Here are your winners, and still Raw Tag Team Champions, the Gangster and Dexter Loomis, the Triangle of Terror.
And a big-time victory for this tag team here tonight.
I was barely in my seat for most of this one. This team put on a tremendous show.